Hello, I'm Armand, a young man from Jakarta who is currently studying at Universiti Sains Malaysia through the Indonesian International Student Mobility Awards Scholarship Program by the Ministry of Education and Culture of the Republic of Indonesia. I want to share a little through this video about what I have internalized while I was here. However, in this video, I focus more on one of the courses that I took here based on the video's main topic, which is IISMA course series. Let's go back to the past first. Actually, we IISMA awardees were given the opportunity to only take 4 courses while at the host university. This is done because IISMA wants us to explore as many activities as possible in the host country, apart from just academics on campus. Yes, in those 4 courses, the one that I took was international business. I chose this course because I like studying the business world, apart from my major at home university, which is more about the humanities. Moreover, I believe that everyone should have business knowledge because it's much needed in today's industries. For more than 12 weeks of studying in this course, there is one topic that I like the most, which is globalization of markets. I like this topic because it talks about globalization, especially with regard to markets. In this topic, it will discuss the globalization of markets as an organizing framework, the driving forces of globalization, and some of the impacts of technological progress and globalization. This topic has opened my horizons regarding market globalization, especially the importance of interconnectedness. The related interconnectedness is in national economies and the increasing sense of interdependence between buyers, suppliers, and governments around the world. Additionally, this topic also describes the historical flow of the globalization phase, making it easier for students to find out about the development of globalization. I feel that this topic is one of many that has the potential to be studied and developed more deeply because it will always be needed in many industries. Surely, this topic is very relevant for subsequent materials since it has a lot of relevance to markets in the era of globalization. In conclusion, I believe all courses that I take have their pros and cons. Therefore, I'm happy to be able to learn it all. I hope this course series reflection video of mine will be useful for all of you. Thank you and see you next time.